Hello, beautiful people. Let's toast bread together. So, on a normal day, I'm not a bread fan, but this morning felt like eating bread, but not the normal way we eat. So, I decided to do a toast bread in my own way. You get the bread, slice bread to be precise, so that it will go well. You roll it, flatten it very well so that what we want to use it for it to work well. This shredded chicken, you add your veggies, add your veggies together to the shredded chicken and you stir it and season it to your taste. You can decide to add anything to your veggies. I only added pepper, salt, and seasoning cube to give it the taste that you want. And so this is going to be our filling for the toasted bread. After you must have finished this is a flour inside water. You need to add it to the veggies for it to bind together so that when you are putting your bread, when you are trying to wrap your bread, it will not scatter. So you turn it so that all will mix together. Let them incorporate together. Yeah. Let them incorporate together. Yeah. Our filling is ready. Then you add the filling to the rolled bread and wrap it the way you want to wrap your own. This is how I wanted to wrap my own. Then for the body of the bread, I use egg white to rub on the body so that it will be smooth. Yes, you can decide not to rub it. It's to still come out well. And here are the bread inside frying pan, and our bread is ready. Very yummy. Will you give it a try and see how it will come out? Don't just eat bread and tea the regular way we know how to eat bread and tea. Try to make something different. This was how it came out. Very well, yummy and tasty. Need to give it a try. You can use tea or any drink of your choice.